Once upon a village, there was a rough,
a mighty dog, brave and tough,
who owed food to the kitty lady.
though she seemed rather shady.
No, you ruins it!
It will be a hit, rolling right in Devotion 38. While barren and childless and praying in Shiloh, Hannah had made a promise that if God would give her a son, she would give him back to the Lord all the days of his life. That phrase may mean different things to different people, but to her it meant that she would take him to live there in the tabernacle so he could serve in the priesthood. You see, according to 1 Chronicles 6:33 and 38, the family of Samuel were Levites. So now Samuel had been born, and it is one thing to make a promise, like the promise she made, but quite another thing to carry it out. And yet listen to the words that we read from this dear new mother. 1 Samuel 1:21. And the man Elkanah and all his house went up to offer unto the Lord the yearly sacrifice and his vow. But Hannah went not up, for she said unto her husband, I will not go up until the child be weaned, and then I will bring him, that he may appear before the Lord, and there abide forever. Men were required to go to Shiloh each year. Women were simply encouraged and allowed to do so. Normally Hannah went each year with her husband, but this time around she told him that she would not yet come. The child was not yet weaned, and the very next time she came with him, she intended to leave him there in the house of the Lord forever. And she did. Do give your children to the Lord, parents. Samuel could have been a good child at home, but because his mother was selfless enough to give him to the Lord, he became one of the most important men Israel ever knew. A good message of raising children to reverence God.
And gratitude. Don't forget that part.
Yes, dear Cleo, I won't. Have a blessed day, folks.